Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about the benefits of wearing the Rudraksha. Rudraksha that come from the tears of Lord Shiva. If you're devotee to Lord Shiva, then I recommend you to wear the Rudraksha because Rudraksha is the best remedy in the astrology and it works very well. So in this video, I'm going to let you know what all Rudraksha person can wear as per their zodiac sign, and even you can wear the Rudraksha as per your problems also. What is the right way of wearing the Rudraksha and what all benefits you will be going to get after wearing the Rudraksha as per the Mukhi or as per the Rudraksha what you are wearing. Not only this, I will let you know the precautions you have to take care of while wearing the best time to wear the Rudraksha is on Monday, Friday, full moon of Shukla Paksh, and you can wear the Rudraksha on Mahashivratri and Savan month also. It is a great time to wear the Rudraksha and get the blessings of Lord Shiva. Now I will guide you step by step what you have to do to energize your Rudraksha to get the best. Make sure when you are wearing the Rudraksha, then it should be the energized Rudraksha. Now step by step I will guide you how you have to energize your Rudraksha. The right way of energizing the Rudraksha is that before one day back, you have to keep the Rudraksha in ghee. You have to keep the Rudraksha in desi ghee and dip the Rudraksha overnight. Next day, you have to clean the Rudraksha. You have to put some warm water on it and clean all the ghee out of it. And you have to do the Rudra Abhishek with the Rudraksha. You have to dip the Rudraksha in milk, curd, honey, sugar and Ganga Jal and keep on chanting the mantra Namah Shivaya 11,000 times while energizing your Rudraksha. And then you have to clean it with a cloth, with a dry cloth, and then you have to start wearing it. You can wear the Rudraksha in a red color thread. The best is that if you wear the Rudraksha in the red color thread, it is going to give you the tremendous benefits. If you can't energize your Rudraksha at home because of the one or the other reason, in that case you can purchase the energized Rudraksha. In that Rudraksha you will be going to receive from us that will be energized, and you have to directly start wearing it. But yes, if you're energizing it at your home, then you have to make sure the ghee what you have dipped the Rudraksha into, after you energize it, then you have to light up the same lamp in front of Lord Shiva and set an intention with it. What is the purpose of you wearing this Rudraksha? There are the three countries from where you can find the Rudraksha, that is India, Indonesia and Nepal. So when you wear the Rudraksha, then you have to make sure that you are wearing Nepal Rudraksha, because Nepal Rudraksha help you out to give you more benefits as compared to the Rudraksha those origin is from India or different faces, and the faces of the Rudraksha will decide how much Mukhi Rudraksha it is. If the Rudraksha have a one face, that means it is a one Mukhi Rudraksha. One Mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Sun. Sun, which is a planet, which is a king of the planet, and this is a planet of the positive thought, positive aura and a good leadership quality. So the major benefits of wearing the one Mukhi Rudraksha is that first, it is going to help you out to enhance your sun planet. It is going to help you out to get the appreciation in your work and to get name, fame, success also. If you are into a leadership role, then I recommend you to keep the one Mukhi Rudraksha at your home or at your office. It is going to help you out to manage your team well. Not only this, if you are into a business, then also you can keep the one Mukhi Rudraksha in your office. This is going to help you out to get a lot of success and the growth in your business. I recommend to wear the one Mukhi Rudraksha for the people who are preparing for the government examination or are the politician or they are working as a CEO or the CFO of the company. They should also keep the one Mukhi Rudraksha in the office table. I don't recommend you to wear the one Mukhi Rudraksha in your neck, because one Mukhi Rudraksha, it is related to the sun planet, and sometimes the power of the one Mukhi Rudraksha is so high that you go towards a monk life. So I suggest you only keep the one Mukhi Rudraksha in your home temple or in your office to get the vibrations of one Mukhi Rudraksha. But I never recommend you to wear the one Mukhi Rudraksha till you are into the materialistic world. Overall, this is going to help you out to get a lot of financial benefits, lot of name, fame and success if you keep the one Mukhi Rudraksha in your office table or at your home. It is a two faces Rudraksha, that is a two Mukhi Rudraksha. Two Mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Moon, which is a planet of the emotional well-being. So the person who is facing the problem in their love life, emotional disbalance, or you don't have a good moon planet in your birth chart, or your moon planet is sitting with any karmic planet like Rahu or Ketu, which is giving you a lot of problem in your love life as well as giving you a lot of emotional disbalance, then I recommend you to wear the two Mukhi Rudraksha. The major benefits of wearing the two-mukhi Rudraksha is that it is going to help you out to improve your relationship, overall relationship, not only the love relationship, relationship with your mother, father, colleagues, relatives. So it is going to help you out to improve your overall relationship. Not only this, two-mukhi Rudraksha help you out to heal yourself. If you are going through any mental trauma, then I recommend you to wear the two-mukhi Rudraksha because it is going to heal you. Second, it is going to give you a lot of emotional stability. If you have a problem of cold and cough, then also I recommend you to wear the two-mukhi Rudraksha. Two-mukhi Rudraksha overall will be going to help you out to give a lot of balances in your love life, marriage life. If you are single and you are looking for the proposal, and you are not getting the relevant one, then I recommend you to wear the two-mukhi Rudraksha because it will speed up the process and you will be started attracting the good proposals. Next is a three faces Rudraksha, that is called the three-mukhi Rudraksha. Three-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Mars. Mars, which give you the problem like aggression, impulsive and short-tempered. So the person who is facing the problem of laziness, aggression, impulsiveness, then I recommend you to wear the three-mukhi Rudraksha. Three-mukhi Rudraksha is very beneficial for the students. Being if they have a problem of getting focused in their studies or they have a concentration problem, then I recommend you to wear the three-mukhi Rudraksha because three-mukhi Rudraksha is going to help you out to rectify your Mars planet, will be going to give you lot of balances in your life and you will be able to focus easily in your life. And the three-mukhi Rudraksha is very good for the people who are manglik. So when the person is manglik, then their energies are very high and they can't channelize their energies in the right way, due to which they face a lot of problem like mental trauma and lot of aggression and fights. In that case, I recommend you to wear the three-mukhi Rudraksha. It is going to help you out to rectify your Mars planet. That will be going to give you lot of balances in your life and will solve lot of your problems. Four faces Rudraksha. Four faces Rudraksha is also called as a four-mukhi Rudraksha. It is regulated by the planet Mercury. Mercury, which is the planet of the communication, intelligence and overall well-being. It gives you the good health also. So four-mukhi Rudraksha, I recommend all of us should do the remedies related to the four-mukhi Rudraksha because it is going to help you out to improve your Mercury planet, which is a very important planet, being it represent your logical mind and all the good or the bad decisions are taken from the logical mind only. So what you have to do is that you have to daily dip four-mukhi Rudraksha in a brass bowl or the brass glass and dip in it the water overnight, and next day you have to drink this water. It is going to help you out to give more balances in your life. It is going to improve your overall well-being. It is going to remove the impulsiveness, anger issue, and it is going to help you out to solve your laziness problem also. So I recommend to do this remedy. All of us should do this remedy for overall, for good health, for good love life as well as good finance. The next is a five-faced Rudraksha, that is a five-mukhi Rudraksha. Five-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Jupiter. Jupiter, which is a planet of the love, good married life and the good finances. Five-mukhi Rudraksha helps you to balance your major five elements of the life like water, fire, earth, space and air. So when the five elements are balanced in your life, you get everything in your life. So five-mukhi Rudraksha, everyone can wear this five-mukhi Rudraksha to balance all your five elements and to enhance your luck also. This five-mukhi Rudraksha is majorly recommended for the people, those zodiac sign is Sagittarius and Pisces. It helps them a lot to improve their life. Six-faced Rudraksha, that is a six-mukhi Rudraksha. Six-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Venus. Venus, which is a planet of the attraction, love, luxurious life and overall happiness. I recommend to wear six-mukhi Rudraksha. Everyone should wear six-mukhi Rudraksha because everyone want a good Venus planet in their life to have a good luxurious life. The people who face the problem, who have a skin related problem, who have a spot on your skin or doesn't have so glowing skin, in that case I recommend you to drink water, dipping the six-mukhi Rudraksha in the water overnight. You have to take a brass bowl or the brass glass, dip six-mukhi Rudraksha in the water overnight. Next day, first thing in the morning, you should drink this water. It is going to give you a lot of glow on your face. Next is the seven faces Rudraksha. Seven faces Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Saturn. This is a very good Rudraksha if you are looking for the financial stability and finances wise, if you want to grow, if you are into a business or you are into a job and you want the financial growth, then I recommend you to wear the seven-mukhi Rudraksha. Seven-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Saturn. it give you more discipline in life, it give you more materialistic thing in life. The person who is going through Shani ki साढ़े साथी dahiya or Shani ki mahadasha and the effect of Shani ki साढ़े साथी dahiya is not so good for them, then also I recommend you to wear 7-mukhi Rudraksha. It is going to help you out to remove the bad effect of Shani from your life and will be going to give you a lot of financial stability and materialistic things in your life. Next is a 8 faces Rudraksha. It is a 8-mukhi Rudraksha, and 8-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Rahu. Rahu, which gives you lot of ups and downs in your life, lot of fluctuations in your life. It gives you the problem, obstacles in your life, illusion, a lot of financial losses, and overall the people who are influenced by the planet Rahu gets a lot of ups and downs in their life. Then I recommend you to wear 8-mukhi Rudraksha. This Rudraksha will be going to help you out to remove the ill effect of the Rahu planet from you. Next is a 9 faces Rudraksha. That is a 9-mukhi Rudraksha. 9-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Ketu. Ketu, which is a planet of the detachment. This particular Rudraksha help you out to get detached from the things and will help you to heal also. If you are a manifestor and you want to manifest anything specific in your life, then I recommend you to do meditation with a 9-mukhi Rudraksha. What you have to do? You have to hold the 9-mukhi Rudraksha in your hand, close your eyes and keep on focusing on your breathing. Try to balance your breathing and start visualizing the things that you want. Daily you have to visualize the same thing exactly at the same timing, holding 9-mukhi Rudraksha in your hand. It will help you out to convert your dreams into the reality. So this Mukhi Rudraksha is very good for the people who want to manifest. Next is a 10 faces Rudraksha. That is a 10-mukhi Rudraksha. 10-mukhi Rudraksha is by Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu, which helps you to regulate all your 9 planets. If you are wearing the 10-mukhi Rudraksha, it is going to help you out to align all your 9 planets. Any problems, any obstacles which you are getting in your life related to your marriage life, finances, health, then I recommend you to the 10-mukhi Rudraksha. If your zodiac sign is Pisces and Sagittarius and you are facing problem in your married life, then you should wear the 10-mukhi Rudraksha. It is going to help you out to get married soon to a suitable partner. Not only this, if you have a Vastu dosh at your home, then I recommend you to keep 10-mukhi Rudraksha in your home temple. It is going to help you out to get rid of the Vastu dosha. Next is an 11-faced Rudraksha. That is 11-mukhi Rudraksha. 11-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by Lord Hanuman. If a person is stuck in any legal case, then I recommend you to wear the 11-mukhi Rudraksha along with the 7-mukhi Rudraksha. If you are facing problem related to the loans, debts, legal case, then you should wear the 11-mukhi Rudraksha. Along with this, it is going to help you out to protect against any type of black magic, negative energies, tantra, and you should keep the 11-mukhi Rudraksha always in your home temple. It is going to help you out to protect your house from all the negative. Next is a 12-faced Rudraksha. That is a 12-mukhi Rudraksha. 12-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Sun and Lord Vishnu. It is going to help you out to get a lot of expansion, name, fame, success in the business. If you are a businessman and you want expansion in your business and you want growth in your business, then I recommend you to wear 12-mukhi Rudraksha. It is going to help you a lot for the financial stability and even to get the expansion. There's a 13-faced Rudraksha. That is a 13-mukhi Rudraksha. 13-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Venus. Venus, which is a planet of the good love life, luxurious life, and overall happiness and the attraction in your life. If you are into media industry, if you are a businessman, you are a content creator, you are a makeup artist, and you want to become a YouTuber, then I recommend you to wear the 13-mukhi Rudraksha. 13-mukhi Rudraksha will help you out to get name, fame, and success as an actor, as an artist, or next as a YouTuber. Is a 14-mukhi Rudraksha. It is a 14-faced Rudraksha and it is the best Rudraksha among all because 14-mukhi Rudraksha is regulated by the planet Mars, that is Lord Hanuman, and Saturn, that is Lord Shani. So Mars and Shani both together gives a lot of blockages in your life, gives a lot of financial blockages. Again and again in your work, if you're seeing the delay, then I recommend you to wear the 14-mukhi Rudraksha. The benefits of wearing the 14-mukhi Rudraksha is that it gives you the financial stability, it gives you the good decision making power, and overall it will help you out to improve your health also. So 14-mukhi Rudraksha is suggested for the people who are into a business. When they wear the 14-mukhi Rudraksha, it is going to help them a lot to get overall financial stability in their life. What are precautions you should take care of while wearing the Rudraksha? Anyone can wear the Rudraksha. If you're a girl, boy, any age you are, you can wear the Rudraksha, but you have to make sure If you are eating non-veg, then you can't wear the Rudraksha. You should avoid wearing the Rudraksha. Second thing that you have to take care of when you're wearing the Rudraksha, then you have to follow the integrity. You're not hurting anyone, you're not harming one, or you're not cheating on someone. Because when you wear the Rudraksha, that means you're connected to Lord Shiva. You should follow the message of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva says that you should always follow the integrity in your life to get the success. So when you wear the Rudraksha and you want to get success in your life, then make sure that you are working with the integrity and you are not cheating on others. Third thing that you have to take care of, if you are a girl and during the period, you should avoid wearing Rudraksha. You should dip the Rudraksha in a ghee during the periods, and once you are finished with the periods, then you can again rewear it after washing with the warm water, and the ghee where you have dipped the Rudraksha. Next day, you can light up a lamp near Lord Shiva, or if you don't have a Lord Shiva nearby, then on the northeast corner of your house, you can light up a lamp with the same. Everyone can wear multiple Rudraksha, but you have to make sure that you are wearing the Rudraksha in the odd number, not in the even number. Like you are wearing multiple individual Rudraksha, then you can wear 1 Rudraksha, 3 Rudraksha, 5 Rudraksha, 7 Rudraksha, but you can't wear 2 Rudraksha or 4 Rudraksha. So you have to make sure that you are wearing the Rudraksha. It should be in the odd. Important Rudrakshas other than the 14 Mukhi Rudraksha. First is the Ganesh Rudraksha. Ganesh Rudraksha is recommended to the students who are facing problem in their studies or facing the problem like focus, concentration, or if you are into a business and you are getting a lot of wrong decisions in your business, then I recommend you to wear the Ganesh Rudraksha. It is going to help you out to rectify your Mercury planet, and it is going to help you out to get the blessings of Lord Ganesha, which will be going to help you out to remove the blockages and the obstacles from your life. The next is a Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. Gauri Shankar Rudraksha is best for the people who are looking to get married and looking to get the suitable partner. The Gauri Shankar Rudraksha suits to the person who are facing a lot of problems in their love life and the married life. The people who are already married but facing a lot of problem in their married life, then also I recommend you to wear the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha, because Gauri Shankar Rudraksha have a tremendous benefits. It is going to help you out to attract the right partner and will be going to help you out to improve your love life. Specific problem, or you are confused that which Rudraksha should I go with, then the list of Rudraksha being shared here. You can choose the Rudraksha as per your zodiac sign. You can choose your Rudraksha and start wearing it. Not only this, you can DM us on the same number to place the order for the energized Rudraksha, and my team can help you out as per your birth chart which Rudraksha you should wear. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.